Do you really need an LLC? I mean, I don't think you need it. So in this video, I'll look at 6 reasons why you should have a sole proprietorship or an LLC. So stay tuned, check out this video. We'll get you to 6 reasons why you need an LLC or you don't need an LLC. So 6 differences between a sole proprietor versus an LLC. We'll look at all 6 of them today. Hope you enjoy the slides. Get a little better with the presentations. So pass-through entities, sole proprietors and LLCs and S Corp, not C Corp. So anything that that goes through the company, it goes right directly as your personal income. So LLC, S Corp, we'll learn later that it kind of gets divided into different shareholders. So kind of protects you there. But limited liability protects you from being sued if you were anybody to sue your company. So sole proprietor, usually it's one owner. It's considered personal income, and it's usually you get self-employment tax, which is 15.3%. You get a Schedule C, it lists the income expenses. So it's 15% taxation based on Social Security and Medicare. It's about $6,500, and all earnings are taxable as a personal income for sole proprietor. Okay, let's talk about LLC now. So limited liability, it's usually one or more owners. You could be a sole proprietor LLC, which kind of protects you a little bit, but it's still part of your personal income. It's one or more are considered an LLC. You're an employee of the company, and business and personal expenses are separated out, usually in the form of Schedule C. So you get profit and loss through there. You get asset protection, and then banks are separated, and then I would highly recommend change to LLC when you make $50,000-$60,000 a year. An S Corp, however, is a little bit different, where you're an employee of your own company. Kind of give yourself, you pay yourself basically through your company. You make less than $100,000 a year, and you have less than 100 shareholders. Pay taxes about once a year at the end of the year, usually as S Corp. C Corp is totally different. C Corp, you have more than one shareholder. So C Corp's a little bit different because you're a corporation, and the business is own entity with multiple shareholders, 100 plus more. It's taxed twice a year through corporate earnings and personal gains. So you get taxed twice basically. You pay taxes per quarter. So per quarter is 4 times a year, about every 3 months. So how do you register for LLC? Here's a couple of websites we're going to mention. Secretary of State, we'll go through that together. Zen Business, LegalZoom, IRS.gov, and then InkFile is a couple of sites you can visit to register for LLC. So to file LLC, I just Googled it. It'll be the Secretary of State. Scroll down. I'm looking for corporation filings. I'll click on that. And I'm going to scroll down again, look for limited liability company. Here, I'm going to click on that. And then basically we're going to file this online. Click on that. We'll start filling out the rest. So we're going to, if you're following a new entity here, click here. We're going to click on this. And we're going to be a domestic LLC. It's not international. So we're going to do a certificate of organization. We're going to click on this. Brings in here, pretty self-explanatory. And for Massachusetts, a minimum fee is $500 per year. So it's a little bit different for each state, but for Massachusetts, it's $500. So we're going to go here. We're going to start filling in, I kind of pre-filled these in here. I put Hunter and Chavy for my company name. Then the address, we'll put 123 Main Street. Obviously, I don't live on Main Street, but we'll just put here just for example. And then I'm in the Worcester County area. Type in Worcester, and Massachusetts. And then we'll start filling the street address for which the record will be held. So same. And then what we actually do would be e-commerce is what we actually do. Start filling in the rest. There it is. We'll click continue. After we're done here, digital assets. There we go. We'll put in, a resident the above link. So I'll put Hunter and Chavy here. And where the office will be located will be actually the address what we have. You can designate that as your attorney, but for simplicity, we're just going to go through it. Additional information, the filer's contact information, like I said, it will be, let's say you want to be anonymous, so you can put your attorney's address or your CPA's address, but I'm going for easy example, we're going to just put 123 Main Street for Hunter and Chavy. Fill that in. We can actually click same as above. So we'll just say that. And then right there, resident and registered agent. And please provide an email address. We'll put in Hunter and Chavy Investments. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my website and get a free summary of your taxes. All right. And then sign the penalty here, and then we'll submit it. Easy as that. So those are the 6 reasons why you need a sole proprietorship, or do you need an LLC. So you like these kind of type of videos that will help you with personal finance and cost savings, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.